We didn't hit our planned stop. We were trying to get to Vogelsang Lake from Tuolumne Meadow Backpackers Campground, which is about 7.5 mile hike. The climb, the first 3-mile climb was very tough because not only that we are carrying heavier load than what we trained for, it was just a very strenuous climb. So by the time we reached about 3 miles, my daughter started having a shaky knee, so I decided to just find a place where we can camp for the night and then camp to Vogelsang tomorrow, which we still have about 4.5 mile hike to that camp. So what we're doing right now is taking the opportunity of resting, and also, as you can see, fishing. We want to actually dip into this stream, but it's really cold. We're gonna brave it if it gets even warmer. So right now, enjoy the stream. We set up our camp left of the trail about, I'd say, around 50 yards, and we set up right over there. Right now, me and Chloe changed to our trunks while Jason wanted to fishing out in the stream, but our reel is kind of broken, so he's making the best out of it right now. So that's what's happening right now. Also, tomorrow we have a friend who's going to be joining us, Carlos, so hopefully he can catch up with us on the trail and meet us up at Vogelsang Lake, which what we agreed to meet at. So have fun. It's beautiful out here. Hopefully you guys can hear a little bit of the breeze, because it's just nice cool breeze. Jason says he caught a fish, so I'm running. Jason, I'm right here. Let me see.
Dude, I just dropped it in.
God.
I just dropped it in and bit it right away.
Oh my goodness.
That was some doubters. That was some doubters.
Wait.